Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to download your saved game data on your PlayStation 4 in case you had corrupted files or you're on a new PlayStation. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So it's very easy to download your saved game data on your PlayStation 4. On the home screen here, let's go up to top to settings and select this option. And then scroll on down under this list until we get to Application Saved Data Management and select this. Now, go to Save Data in Online Storage. Manage your saved data in online storage. You can download saved data to your system storage. Now locate your game under this list that you want to go ahead and download. So let's choose just Call of Duty Modern Warfare right at the top and select this. Now under here, I have my online Warzone profile and my saved game data for the campaign. I'm going to go ahead and download the campaign saved data and select this. Then go over to download. And it's downloading to my system storage. Now I'm going to go ahead and press yes to overwrite the data. Now I can see the saved data on the online storage is 10/25 of 2019 and the system storage is the same date. So it's going to be the same file. So let's go to yes, overwrite that. And it looks like it's completed downloading now. Great. Now also you can access the saved data for the game. If I go to the application on the home screen and then press options, I can go to upload/download save data right here and quickly do all that under this screen. So I can see the online storage is on the right and I can go to select and download specific parts. So let's go ahead and just do it quickly on here and download. So that is how you can easily download your game data to your PS4. So if this video did indeed help you out, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.